Hello Genius! Today, mag-solve na naman tayo ng another CA board exam which was given last May 2013. A sphere has a diameter of 34 cm. A frustum of the sphere is created by passing two parallel planes, one 14 cm from the center and the other 12 cm from the center and on opposite side of it. Compute the volume of a frustum. So here we're looking for the frustum of a sphere. So now, to solve this one, of course, we need to draw the rough sketch of a sphere. Imagining that this is a sphere, a three-dimensional shape, and we have the center. And what is given here? The diameter of the sphere, which is this one. So if this is the radius, what is given here? The diameter D, which is equal to 34 cm. Now we have this one, the radius. So diameter is twice the radius. So this is the diameter. And then the other one is the height. So if we have this one, the center, and it says that it is 14 centimeters, so if we designate this is the center, and 14 centimeter, for example, if we look at here, this is from here to here, is 14. And the other side, opposite side, is 12. So from the center to here, this is the plane cutting from here. So this is 12. So from the center to here, where the other plane, so this is the first plane, because there are two parallel planes. So this plane one is parallel to the other plane. This is just a rough sketch. This is plane one which cutting the sphere, and the second plane also. So they are opposite each other, and the first one is 14 cm from the center, and the second one is 12 cm from the center to the plane. So therefore, we can designate this one as H1 from the plane to the outer, to the this one the edge, and this one also we can put H2. We can designate this one as H2. So therefore, we can designate this one as Y1, and the other side is Y2. Therefore, from the center to the plane, Y1 is equal to 14, Y2 is equal to 12. This is the one from here to the other plane. So, if there is the diameter of 34, that means the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, which is equal to 34 divided by 2 is equal to 17 centimeter. So there is the radius. So to solve this one, to solve the frustum of a sphere, we need two formulas. The formula of the volume of the whole sphere, which is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, where pi is always 3.14 and r is the radius of the sphere, which is equal to 17 centimeter cube. And the other formulas if we will designate this one, it is the formula of a spherical cup. This is the one here from the plane to here. This area, we call it the spherical cup. It's like this. This is the spherical cup from the plane to this edge. So this is the spherical cup. Therefore, the formula for this one is equal to, if we will see this one is spherical cup 1, or the cup as a whole, a formula as a whole is equal to pi over 3 h squared 3r minus h. This is the formula for spherical cup, volume for spherical cup. Now, since we have two spherical cup here, one here and one here, see, there's another spherical cup down. So we will designate this as V1, VC1, and this is VC2. So this is the VC1 and this is the VC2. So to solve the volume of the frustum of a sphere, just we will designate VF as the frustum of the sphere is equal to the volume of the sphere, the volume of the whole sphere minus the volume of the cup 1 minus the volume of the cup 2. The volume of this one minus this one will result to this area, which is, we call it this area here, that we call it the frustum of a sphere. This is the frustum of a sphere. The plane here and this another plane. So this is the one, the frustum of a sphere. Now this, to solve this one, this is the formula we have to use to solve the volume of this one. So first, we have to solve the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi times the radius, which is equal to 17. So 17 cube. Therefore, volume of a sphere is equal to 569.09 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the sphere. So if we will solve the volume of the spherical cup 1, VC1 is equal to, using this formula, spherical cup, pi third h squared times 3 times the radius of the sphere minus, so we will designate this one as h1 for the spherical 1, spherical cup 1, and h2, and h1 also here inside. So the h2 is the spherical cup for number 2. So substituting the values, pi over 3 times the height 1 squared times 3 times the radius, which is equal to 17, minus the height 1. Here we can solve the height 1 because we know that from the center to here, because the radius going around is the same, the radius is 14. Therefore, 17, sorry. The radius is 17 because it's half of the 34. So, from here to here is 17. So, 17 minus the y1, this is from here to the plane, which is equal to y1. And we solve it as, it's given as 14. So this is 14 Therefore, each one is equal to 3 centimeter. Is each one. So we can substitute this one, the each one here. VC1 therefore is equal to pi over 3 times the H1, which is equal to 3 squared times 3 times the radius minus H1, which is equal to 3. Therefore, simplifying this one, volume of the spherical cup 1 therefore is equal to 1203.67 centimeter cube. So, solving the volume 2, volume 2 cup 2 is equal to pi over 3 times H2 squared times 3 times the radius minus H2. Therefore, before we can proceed to this one, we have to find first H2, which is equal to, since the radius is 17 minus the H, this one, the Y2, which is equal to 12. So, H2 is equal to the radius 17 from this one to here minus this one, because we are now on the second one, the second spherical cup, which is this one, minus 12. So therefore it's equal to 5 centimeter. Substituting this one on this, VC2 therefore is equal to pi over 3 times H2, which is equal to 5 squared multiplied by 3 times the radius, which is equal to 17 minus H2, which is 5. Therefore, volume of spherical cup 2 is equal to 452.16 centimeter cube. So, now we have already the volume of the sphere, the total sphere, minus the volume of the spherical cup 1, minus the volume of spherical cup 2. Therefore, we can solve the volume of the frustum of a sphere. Bf therefore is equal to, as we said here, Bs, which is equal to 20,569.09 centimeter cube minus VC1, which is equal to 1,203.67 minus VC2, which is equal to 452.16. Therefore, volume of the spherical, the frustum of a sphere is equal to 18,916. Volume of the spherical volume of frustum of a sphere therefore is equal to 18,913.26 centimeter cube.